Hello, we thank you for stopping by. Welcome to Hardcore Reviews, where we research on different products and give you our well-informed research facts on different products from different niches so that you can make a concrete decision on whether to buy the product or not. Feel free to suggest on other products you want us to review. If you think you are ready to take your business to another level by increasing the traffic to your products or services, boosting your conversions, your leads, and ultimately increasing your sales, we have provided you with an encrypted, secure link you can use to purchase the product. So both of us, knowing how active scammers are out there, that is why we have ensured that the links we have provided are secure through testing them ourselves at Hardcore Reviews by purchasing the products and seeing if the products are legit or not. Remember, action beats inaction. You snooze, you lose. Now it's up to you.